Conditional statement if or else if are really simple. This is basic example. Our variable equals 15, and by the way, why I don't write here integer. In Swift infers data type. It's strongly typed language, and always every number, every object, every variable should have some fixed data type, and we cannot change it in the flow of code. So width is 15, this integer, and our if statement looks like this. Keyword if, condition, and block of code which is executed between curly brackets. We could use, basically we can get it out and we could leave only this. If this condition here is true, it means it returns truth or false. This part of code will be executed. Because our width is 15, this is false, so obviously this part is not executed. However, for let's say 35, it would be executed. And we can go back to what was previously. Now with keyword else, this part of code or this part is always executed, one of both. Instead of else, we could use else if. This is a second example. We have first condition, another condition more complicated after else if, and then if not this condition is satisfied, and if not this condition is satisfied, everything else will be executed in this block of code. Sometimes we can get out of this else and we can handle some fixed situations, I mean for some range of width or other variable, whatever. So we don't need this else, which covers all other possibilities. We could just leave only else if several times for different ranges of width. In our case, this is just width. We could modify this number. Instead of 35, it could be, let's say again, 15. And this time, because of width is less than 30, this part of code will be executed. Sometimes we need more else if statements, depending on situation and on conditions we have to handle. And sometimes we don't need this else. So it depends on what we need to do with our variable, how we need to check it, and depending on what is our variable value, what we should do. However, this else is not obligatory, and we can have several, basically whatever number of else if conditions. It depends only on the situation. So basically if and else if conditional statements are very, very simple.